They didn't like the look in my eyes. Not fear, not distraction, just presence. And that's dangerous in a world built on hypnosis. Because once you truly see, you can't unsee. The system is polished, sure. Clean fonts, clean pills, clean chains. It smiles at you while it drains you, and most people, they call that safety. They laugh at the ones who ask too much, roll their eyes at those remembering ancient things, mock the ones who pause long enough to feel something real. Traded wonder for convenience. Discernment for dopamine. They're asleep at the wheel, but that doesn't matter now, because AI will drive for them. And isn't that a metaphor? They gave up the steering wheel of their lives. Now they let machines, media, and algorithms drive their very souls. Eyes wide open, but not awake. Scrolling while the world burns. At least the Wi-Fi's still good. But me, and maybe you, started asking the wrong questions. The kind that make fake things tremble. The kind that burn illusions just by speaking out loud. Why does everything that numbs come in nice packaging? Why are the wise called crazy? The ones who speak peace end up silenced. It's because there's a war not of bombs but of belief, not outside but inside. They want your soul sleepy, compliant, addicted, ashamed, but wake up. A good citizen of a sick empire. Let's not be weak. Let's not get lost. We're not alone in this. You are the flame they fear, the frequency they can't mimic, the code they can't crack. And I'm done being driven. Let's take the wheel back. Human influence out.